Today I'm gonna show you how to make my eggplant Parmesan stacks with pappardelle alla vodka. 3 eggs, whole eggs. You gotta give it just a little tap on the side of the bowl. Get in there and just open it up. Now we're gonna lightly whisk it. We're not making scrambled eggs. I just wanna break up those yolks, right? Pour your flour first. Now comes your 3 whole eggs. All right? 1, 2 pinches of salt. Process it on high until we see a dough ball form. Watch. And that should be done. Put a little bench flour down here. Now you got this beautiful ball. We are gonna take our plastic wrap and we are going to wrap this ball. Next, grab a peeler. This is actually one you kind of peel towards you because it is kind of bulbous and big. Take your time with this. You can't go fast because the meat inside is so soft. Now we're gonna cut these into medallions. About 1/2 inch. I'm lining this up on a lined sheet pan here, right? We're gonna take our kosher salt and we're gonna do this from the top. Flip it. We're gonna a little bit of salt, not a ton, just like a pinch worth. So you're gonna need just a light coating of flour, and that helps the eggs stick to it, right? Now I'm on the eggs, break it up, whisk it within the pan. Panko breadcrumbs, got a jar. It's a nice coating of it in here, right? We're gonna season the breadcrumbs and pepper. Make sure we blot off all that additional moisture, all that salt, right? The salt penetrated. We're good to go. Lay these in the pan. So now I'm gonna coat. I take it, flip it, light coating, shake off the excess. A nice light coating of egg. Twirl it around in there. Next, instead of shaking it, we're just gonna let the excess drip off like that. Now we're going to the panko. I like to take that panko and get a nice top layer and then move it around. Right on a clean wire rack. There's nothing to spray here. Don't put any oil on there.
Okay.
No. This is ready to go.
Okay.
Let's cut our tomatoes for this. About the same thickness. Get some yellows in there. From front to back. Salt. Some drips of that tangy, acidic balsamic, which goes, we know, really well with fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna start the sauce and then we'll roll out the pasta. Now we can dice the onion, hold it stable, tough. Take your knife, slide it through, right down the middle, top to bottom. Get it gone. Palm, horizontal. 1, 2, 3, okay? Sliding my knife down and back, making contact with the board. I'm gonna turn it one more time. Small, not chunks. Get your butter in your pan and let's cook, right? Throw your onions in there. All right, I'm gonna season this now. 2 pinches, maybe 3. Move it around. We just wanna melt these gently. We don't want any color on them. While that's happening, use your body weight. Just give it a little body weight, and that way we can extract without getting chaff everywhere. That end's gotta come off. Give it a tiny thwack. I would do your tomato paste first. I am going to grate directly into the fattiest part, where all the stuff is, so it lays on top. Now I got my vodka.
Okay.
1, 2 big lugs. So wait, it'll burn off, just hold on.
Okay.
Now I got my whole tomatoes. Pour them right in there, juice and all. Break up these tomatoes. Put a little layer of semolina on the bottom, okay? I need some by my cutting board for dusting as I roll it. Cut in half. And then cut these into 1/2 into 3 wedges, right? Make it into like a little circle, like this. Make sure both sides have a little semolina on it. Now we're gonna gently feed it right in here with the hand under here, ready to accept it. So then you make it into an envelope. Then you turn it facing down the seam, put it right in there. Now I'm gonna go to 2. roll. What do I do now? Envelope and go to 3. Now we can go to 4. Boom, fold. I'm going to 5er. I'm gonna do one more fold at 5, and then I'm gonna go from there. No more folding, okay? Nice and smooth. 6. Great. Jagged, thicker cuts. I'm gonna say almost like an inch each. And you have these fun, long noodles. All right, now I got this beautiful sauce, right? I'm gonna add a couple glugs of cream. So it's not like an Alfredo or a creamy sauce, but it's a vodka sauce. Let's make some pasta. I'm going with the pasta right now, okay? Right? Salty like the sea, we say. That's the old adage, okay? All right, this is gonna take seconds. Okay? We're gonna get this going.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna pour that much vegetable oil. I'm gonna gently lay these in here, and you'll see it start to instantly fry up, and that's what we want. It's been a minute, look at that. In one fell swoop, look, watch. We're gonna take it right out of the water with that water in there, dump it right on the pan on the side, okay? Looks like a lot of sauce, but I want this saucy. Take a nice little tear, maybe 4 basil leaves, roll it up tight, cut the stem off, nice close cuts, rocking the knife, slicing forward, right? And we got our cheese. We wanna cut that, all right, into just little thin segments. Small, non-stick skillet. Wow. Smooth it around with the oil so it's super non-stick. We're putting cheese directly in the pan. But look at that. This is what we're looking for. Whatever moisture gets in there, dab it, okay? Put it right on the heat, let it bubble. So now I'm gonna take my plate close to this, take that pappardelle, right? Now we're gonna put a nice little portion in here, right? We're gonna turn it, touching the bottom there, help control it by bringing it in the ladle. I like the big guy for this, all right? Let it rain. I'm gonna take a nice little middle kind of piece like that. We got our golden brown, check it out, crispy eggplant right on here. Just a little sprinkling of salt. Tiny, just while it's wet from the oil. Soak it in. I'm gonna start stacking, okay? Tomato, boom. Yellow, red, boom. Stack, boom. Now we can pour our cheese. Oh, that's crazy. That's what kids wanna see. All right, should we taste?